Hey everyone, hope you had a great Thanksgiving. It's now Friday, the day after. It's Black Friday, I guess. I don't know. I don't do shopping. Anyway, anyway, as many of you know, I dislike Nissan immensely. And let me show you another reason why I dislike Nissan. So I'm doing a clutch on this Nissan pickup. I already managed to get that one heat shield partially out of the way. This is for the right side exhaust. You have to take the exhaust out. And the brain surgeons at Nissan, when they designed this, they put the studs in going the opposite direction. The opposite direction on two of them. One of them goes the right direction. You can get to it. You could get to all three if they were in the right position. Why? Why? Why put them in going that way? It makes no sense. You have to take those out. That's the cat right there. There's one on each side. Right there too. And as you see, I already got one stud came out. The other one I got the nut off. And there's a nut going in the correct direction. But, I mean, in all seriousness, oh, and then, of course they put the brake lines in the way. So that's what you get to deal with when you deal with a Nissan. And that's one of the many reasons I do not like Nissan. Stupidity. Anyway, that's it. Keep wrenching.